All right. So Google Learning is an extremely useful resource. Let me clear out some of these other tabs. All right. If you go to Google Learning, they've got these little classes you can take. You just go here. And with the Google account, you can see these free learning paths to teach you a lot of these things. This is extremely useful and you earn badges. And so I highly recommend it. And you can actually get points in my scoring system if you care about it by just passing in a specifier of your score page. So this is a very good thing for people who just want to learn concepts. And I highly recommend it. Another thing you can do in conceptual stuff is you can practice with these security things I mentioned in the original PowerPoint description here. There's just a little project here where you can practice using the OWASP Machine Learning Security Top 10, for example. So if you go to this one, down here is the reference. Here's the page that gives you the Machine Learning Top 10 that we talked about. I talked about just a few of these, but here they are. And if you click this, you'll have details of each one. And you can practice making sure you understand all these by just going through this, which is a thing where you have to choose which of them is described here. And you have to get, I think, 5 in a row correct, and then you'll see a flag. So I don't know if you want to do this right now, but it's something my students might do if you get practice in these things. And I have another one of those, there's 3 of them. This is for the Machine Learning Top 10. This is for the Large Language Model Top 10. And this is for an article about Microsoft Copilot Security, which is here, a useful article. And it just checks to make sure you understand what was in this article. So like I say, in my experience, Copilot is an extremely important product, and understanding how it works and what the security risks are is a very good thing to learn. So I just mentioned those. Those are purely conceptual, not really hands-on things where you get taught concepts. When I taught a week-long workshop, the first day, someone found this and they spent the whole rest of the week working on the Google badges because they really wanted to learn the terms and concepts. And I remind you, you don't have to stick with my program. You don't have to do things the order I do them in. If you find one thing interesting and you just want to stick that to that and ignore the rest, that's perfectly fine. Just let me know if you're stuck and unable to do something you want to do so I can help you. But I don't expect everybody to do everything that I tell you or in the order I tell you necessarily. All right, so I'm going to stop this recording.